Healthcare made simple. That is the mission of ZocDoc. It is a digital platform available in all 50 states. It serves more than 60% of the population. Founder and CEO Cyrus Masumi is with me now. So Cyrus, I have heard this described as an open table for doctor appointments. That's pretty much what it is, right?
Well, yes, exactly. We're at the beginning of a better healthcare experience. So people can do everything on ZocDoc, from finding doctors who accept their insurance, to reading reviews, to booking appointments, to even filling out their medical history forms and being reminded about doing all the wellness care.
But it saves all this time. I mean, you can fill out, you just talked about the paperwork, you can fill that out before you even show up at the doctor's office, so you just go.
And you can do it once and never do it again. We pre-fill it out for all the future doctors that you go to.
How many people are freaked out about you having all of this information? How many questions do you field about hacking?
Well, patient trust is very important to us at ZocDoc. One of my co-founders and our founding CTO actually came from the financial services industry. So we hold it, it's very, very important to us across the board as a company. And of course, we have patients first as a value. So this is something where we care about it very deeply, and we're very, very attuned to it. We have a head of data security who's focused on it. It's very important to us. Now, we, knock on wood, have had a lot of success in the sense that the website's been around for now 7 years, and we've earned patients' trust. And so patients, when they're giving us this information, they know that it's going to go to the right people and not into the wrong hands.
So I mentioned this 60% of the U.S. population using your product, but you're also now, since about a year, really focused on businesses as well and establishing corporate clients, so not just individuals, but corporations. How's that going?
It's going great. So we've less than a year, and we've already launched now in 6 different markets. We have had a lot of success because from an employer standpoint, this is a win-win. We help their employees get access to care faster, and we save them money. In some cases, we've actually reduced absenteeism close to 11% in some of our employer clients. And of course, they love that. If they can make sure that people get to care faster, they're healthier, they save money, and they're at work
fewer
more.
Sick days, yeah.
Absolutely.
So I know that, at least from a user's point of view, I don't pay. So how are you making money?
So doctors pay us a monthly subscription fee of $300 per doctor per month. And of course, our employer clients for ZocDoc for Business pay us a subscription fee as well.
Okay, so that is the revenue model. Now, I know you've raised total around $100 million since you started, and this, as you point out, is 2007. So what's next? I know you've had buyout offers. I know there's a lot on the table. How do you see the next year at ZocDoc?
Well, the next, we just completed our goal of being in all 50 states, and obviously there's a lot for us to do in order to change healthcare. It's just a pretty lofty goal. It's not going to be a year. It's going to take us some time, but ultimately we're just hyper-focused on bringing that change, and that's where we're at.
Go from there.
Absolutely.
Cyrus, it's great to see you. Congratulations on the growth so far. Cyrus Masumi joining me there, the co-founder of ZocDoc. More on risk and reward in just 3 minutes.